Brembo and Wilwood brakes are big names in automotive performance. Brembo, originating in Italy, is well known for supplying braking systems to luxury and performance vehicles. Wilwood, based in the EU, is popular among enthusiasts and for aftermarket applications. Both have their strengths. One common pain point for car owners is choosing between Brembo's more mainstream options and Wilwood's specialization in racing and custom builds. Brembo wins with its global presence and original equipment manufacturer OEM status. Wilwood excels in flexibility for customization. Brembo brakes are often associated with premium pricing. Why? They're original equipment in many high-end vehicles, which equates to quality and reliability. Wilwood, however, offers more budget-friendly options, especially for enthusiasts who focus on racing and performance upgrades. Installation can be a pain point for some. Brembo brakes are generally straightforward for those familiar with OEM installations. Wilwood can present challenges with custom applications. It requires more knowledge and effort, but gives room for tailor-made solutions. When it comes to material, Brembo uses high-grade aluminum and cast iron parts known for endurance. Wilwood utilizes lightweight alloys, which help with weight reduction, but may not provide the same longevity. This can affect long-term costs depending on your needs. Brembo's standout feature is its design and finish, offering aesthetic appeal alongside performance. Wilwood prioritizes function over form, focusing on stopping power and customization. If they were infected Wilwood, they provide a lot of maximum light 15 times in cutting. These lights may be really expected more than 15%. Both brands offer superior stopping power. Brembo systems are engineered for rapid responsiveness, making them ideal for street use. Wilwood offers tremendous stopping power with advanced thermal management, making it suitable for extreme environments like track racing. For daily driving, Brembo's braking systems offer peace of mind with consistent performance conditions. Wilwood can be adjusted to offer great results on and off the track. This adaptability does require more maintenance and adjustment over time. If you're wondering about noise and dust, here's the scoop. And Brembo typically creates less dust due to its advanced materials and design. Wilwood, due to its high performance nature, may generate more brake dust and noise, particularly in street settings. Wilwood provides an exceptional range of calipers and rotors. This variety allows for highly tailored setups based on specific performance needs. While Brembo also offers variety, it's more streamlined, focused on general vehicle fitment rather than niche customizations. Pro tip for those in motorsports: Wilwood's brakes can give you a slight competitive edge with options for custom configurations and weight settings. Brembo's uniformity and brand trust suit long-term vehicle reliability above custom racing applications. Looking at maintenance, Brembo systems often require less frequent servicing as they are crafted for durability. Wilwood, while durable in many conditions, need more routine checks to maintain optimal performance, especially for those who push limits regularly. For those concerned with compatibility, Brembo systems are widely compatible with OEM parts from various manufacturers. Wilwood, however, can involve more custom brackets and modifications, which may add to the installation complexity, but offer uniqueness. When considering resale value, Brembo-equipped vehicles may have higher market demand due to brand recognition and reliability. Wilwood upgrades might appeal to niche buyers interested in performance enhancements, potentially narrowing the resale audience. Suspension system impact is something to think about. Brembo systems integrate smoothly with factory setups. Wilwood systems might require suspension adjustments for optimal performance, stressing the importance of a well-rounded approach to vehicle upgrades. In summary, Brembo and Wilwood serve different yet overlapping markets. Brembo is known for quality and ease for everyday users. Wilwood offers extensive customization for those wanting performance gains. Ultimately, the choice depends on budget and specific needs.